Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. We are talking about one of the Facebook problem that notifications are not showing up. So how could you fix this problem, which is very simple and easy. But first of all, I request all of you to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Normally guys, it happens when the bugs are on your Facebook app. So by simple, you can fix this problem by doing just updated Facebook app. All right. And secondly, you need to click on the Facebook app, then go to its settings by clicking on I button and go a little down. Then you need to click its storage and remove the cache, clear cache. After doing this, again you need to click on Facebook app, then go to its settings by clicking I button, go down and you need to click on permissions. After clicking permissions, you should need to enable the permission of notifications. All right, it's selected there. You need to allow and vibration. All right, and in case if it's turned off, then you need to turn on or enable this setting. Once you do these simple steps, then the notification not showing problem will be fixed permanently. And I hope this short tutorial is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.